Namaste. We are the Darbetic Innovators. I am Shravani.
Srishti, Lavanya,
Drisha, Brinda.
We are a bunch of 9th grade kids from Puttur, a minor city in Karnataka. Puttur is a farm-based small town out in Karnataka. People do use mobile phones, but more as a communication device. We want to push them to use it for something more, as a device for their daily transactions. Med4U connects the needy individual to the donor to get cost-effective medicine. Plus, if the individual has excess medicine, they can donate it to the medical donor center.
Based on the culture and finances, people might use an expired medicine. With this in mind, when the medicine expires, these are the two possible solutions. 1. Use it as long as it is not too old. 2. Throw it away. Med4U jumps in here. Advise them on the harmful effect of using expired medicine. Warn them about the environmental impact it might have if simply thrown. Lastly, advise them on how they can return the not needed expiry medicine. Get near expiry medicine they need for free.
Before starting on the project, we made sure that the project aligns with SDG's 17 goals of sustainability. SDG 3, good health and well-being by improving access to essential medicines for everyone. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production by reducing medicine waste and promoting reuse. In Puttur, Akshaya Medicine Distributors is a key donor. We have talked to them and we were connecting them to the end user directly. Med4U is a multilingual app, English and Kannada.
We as youngsters hardly use any medicines. However, we did not want to conjure up data, so we decided to visit the medical shops. What they told us really disheartened us. We do not deal and sell the nearly expiring medicines. We don't think your app will have any usage. We were so much taken back, but ultimately one kind soul guided us to Akshaya Medicine Distributors. This is a medical donation center. They appreciated our effort and gave us lot of insight into the world of near expiring medicines. What happens to them, how to handle with them properly and environment friendly.
The big question was what platform to build our mobile app on. Thunkable came out as the winner. It has the organizational feature where we and our mentor can work simultaneously and still be in sync. Mentor in US, we in India worked round the clock. For the data, we decided to use Google Firebase for two reasons. The data got updated in real time and 100% security of the info was available for us for free. Lastly, for the language support, we used Google Sheets. What amazed us was the web-based app running in one cloud interacted with a Firebase and another cloud, Google Sheets, pulling in the multi-language support. How the three clouded seamlessly interacted blew our mind away.
Introduce a medicine verification feature, Tulu or Konkani language support, and audio interaction support. Our fundamental goal was to learn programming.
Med4U provided the framework to try our skills.
School, mentor and parents provided the support.
Medical stores and users provided the motivation.
Thunkable provided us the reference framework. Lastly, the most critical component of all.
Technovation for girls made it happen. Jai Techno